Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Authy two-factor setup for safer logins, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin the process, start by downloading the Authy app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down list before entering your phone number. After entering your number, click on the Next button. You will receive a verification code via SMS to the number you provided. Check your messages, then enter the verification code into the app. Once verified, set a backup password for your Authy account for added security. Next, you will need to enable the two-factor authentication feature on the service you wish to secure. Log into your account on that specific service and navigate to the security settings. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Select the option to use an authenticator app, which will often prompt you to scan a QR code. Open the Authy app and tap on the Add Account button. Choose the option to scan a QR code, then point your device's camera at the code displayed on your computer. Once you scan the QR code, Authy will generate a verification code for that account. You'll need to enter this code back into the service to complete the setup. After entering the code, confirm the setup and check whether two-factor authentication is active. To ensure a smooth experience, test the two-factor authentication by logging out and trying to log back in. You will receive a code from Authy that you'll need to enter alongside your regular login details. Remember to keep your Authy app updated and securely backed up. For added safety, consider enabling multi-device support in the app, if necessary. Familiarize yourself with the backup feature in case you change devices or lose access to your phone. Now, you are all set with a secure two-factor authentication setup using Authy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.